Hi, I'm Jan. I'm an environmental educator with the Lake County Forest Preserves. This episode is going to be geared towards you adults who are finding yourselves at home with children a little more often than you thought you would be, or those caregivers who are looking for some creative ways to get kids out of the house and perhaps being a little more active. So what I'm going to do today in part one, or episode one of this series, is set up a mud kitchen and show you how we do that. So you, the adult, can empower your children by being the yes sayers at home, just by simply letting them look around for some fun things to be creative and use their imaginations. Say you're going to build this mud kitchen out in the yard. If you have some old milk crate containers or any kind of storage containers that they can just turn on their sides, a board they can put over them. You can put cardboard over that, or if you have a big board, that's great. You have the basics there. If you have any kind of little shelf system, this is great for holding bottles with water or empty spice jars. Any kind of accessories that you have at home that are in the back of your cabinets that are old. Let's come down here. I have some baking sheets, baking containers, water strainers, old plastic containers from carry-out food, old Tupperware, lots of old stirring utensils, mixing bowls and such things like that. Again, any kind of containers that kids can put things in. I usually like to start with a couple of buckets of water because that's one of the magic ingredients. You can see I just have some sticks in here on the back with some ladles and stirring utensils. Wooden spoons are great for mud kitchens. They don't break. They're really sturdy. Again, just old utensils. Over here, extra buckets for carrying things back and forth. Funnels are really great for kids. They can find all kinds of things to use those for. Again, extra buckets. So this is my basic setup for a mud kitchen. In episode 2, I'll show you a little bit more about letting your kids get things to stock the mud kitchen up. But just to start with 2 of the secret ingredients in my mixing bowl, I'll do it this way, 1 cup dirt or soil, and let me grab a cup here of water, some water, and then they can stir. And who knows what kind of great cuisine they'll be cooking up for you using their imagination, their creativity, allowing them to use their brains and their bodies, and you just never know what they'll be learning. The learning that takes place while they're creating in their mud kitchen. Again, if they're little ones, you may need to be out supervising a little bit. If they're older, you may just have to help say yes to getting the things that they need to get set up. So I'll see you in the next episode, and we'll learn how to stock our mud kitchen. Thanks, and I'll see you later.